Hey, what's up? It's Elaine, and today I'm going to review Stylevana's products. So Stylevana is basically a online shop that sells Asian beauty products, skincare, fashion, etc. Just to mention, this video is not sponsored, but however they did send a few products to me for me to review and stuff. But I'm gonna be 100% honest with all the materials that I am reviewing, and let's get right into it. Well, since I have no lip color right now, let's put on a lip first. I see 2 items, 3 CE Heart Pot Lip. This is such a cute packaging, but it does feel cheap, but it's really cute. I feel like it's gonna be the cream type. Get it out. Another set. Okay, am I scared to open this? What is it? Why can't you open it? I'm confusion. Oh, okay, that was pretty simple. It is like that. I feel like this might be a lip balm. Ooh. It's a very nice texture. Super smooth. Oh my gosh, this is so smooth. Oh, it is tinted. Guys, this is actually really easy to open. I was just struggling for no reason. The color is like very natural, very pink. It's not thick, it was very light. Okay, I don't know if it smells good. I smell nothing. Maybe I smell like hint of strawberry with like some chemicals. I would give this a 8.5. And there's also this one from CORINGCO. Open sesame. Honestly, I hate these boxes. I could never open them well. Okay, I love how everything's pink. Let's see how the color is. It's not like those scary red, but it's more like pinky. This is called cola, cherry cola, and it really smells like it. Okay, just kidding. I really like it. Yeah, but let me go like a full lip. Okay. I don't know if I just don't look good with red lipstick, but I'm really not digging this. Okay, I can't even smile with my lips showing because I feel like I look like a clown, literally. I can't do this. The colors are divided pretty evenly. Not like 100%. It's very wet and moisturized. That's why I feel like it's gonna come out if I just... Oh, okay, definitely. Dip it off a little. Okay, the product comes out very nicely, which I'm very glad. I would give this, but everything gets off. Like, I don't really use lipstick a lot. I use tint because, like, if you eat something, it's gonna go all the way. But as a lipstick, I would give like a 7. To an eyeliner, Bonny waterproof pen eyeliner, 0.1 millimeter. I'm very picky with eyeliner because my eyes are monolith, so whenever I smile, it smudges down here. You feel me? You feel me? Okay, it's very thin, which I really like. It's crazy. Okay, applied it right there. I have a lot of folds in my eyelid right there, and usually it smudges off and it erases after a while, but let's see how this one works. Oh, something I'm very impressed about this as well is when you put a lot of eyeshadow and you apply eyeliner, like eyeliner gets very dry because of the powder of the eyeshadows. But it really didn't catch anything, which I'm really impressed. I mean, there's like a little bit of sparkles in here, but still the eyeliner applied very smoothly. It didn't like doo-doo. I'll rate this one later after I just observe it a little bit more. Yeah, they are like separating. It hasn't been smudging down here yet because I didn't smile a lot. But usually throughout the day I would smile a lot. Let me smile and like close my eyes for like 1 minute and see what happens. Oh, 머리 아파. Okay. That was literally like few seconds. Right there, some black came out. Do you see that? I would give this 9 out of 10. This is what is it? CHICA Y CHICO. Pyong, that's so cute. Pyong, juicy fruit arrow. Oh, like a pyong, like an arrow. Okay, that's really cute. I think that's really cute how they have a face here and like this is their blush. Let me do them together on my cheeks. Oh, okay, it's really, really pink. Okay. Oh, okay. Oh. Okay. 너무 좋아, 너무 좋아, 너무 좋아. Okay, this is really interesting because I expected like orange to come out. I don't really see orange. I mean, of course I do, but I see like yellow and pink. If you look closely, in the pink blush, there are yellow sparkles. Maybe that's why it looks like pink and yellow, like separated. But yeah, that's such a good detail. Like yellow sparkle on the pink blush. Sparkle? Why do I keep saying sparkle? I would give this 10 out of 10. Anyways, that is the end of my review for Stylevana. Hope you guys liked it, and don't forget to give this video a like, and don't forget to subscribe as well. If you have any questions, you can comment down below, and I'll see you guys next time.